little guard or a movement out of the way. So if I go like this, if I block the punch and grab it, then bring it over to this hand and try to get ready to do something with this hand, where is it? I've got to drop it from here and then go into there, right? So what you want to do is you want to come here, and if you parry it around into here, see the difference? Now if I want to step in, I can hammer to the eye or a little knuckle in the eye, or hammer the side of the nose or the jaw or the temple, or I can bring it here. I can bring it in here, and I can come right into the kidney area. You know, I can strike him in here, or I can bring it in here. I can bring it around this way and come right in here, boom, using an elbow. You see the difference? It's awesome. More efficient instead of coming here. And if you ever want to use it in a non-aggressive manner, because somebody attacks you because you're at work, or you're in a restaurant, or somewhere where you don't want to hassle the guy because you know that there's the potential of you going to jail, he comes at you, you're here. And you're out of there.
Isn't that what Chin Na is all about, the hand?
That's more leverages.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Chin Na is more the leverage.